A very warm morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today we are going to write small cursive letters A to Z. Today we are going to write small cursive letters A to Z. So take out your English workbook and open your page number 14. Kids, do not forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top. Now, take out your pencil and put your pencil on the first dot. The first letter is A. We will write A between the second and the third line. Slanting line, then a curve, touch the second line, come down and a tail like this. This way you have to write your letter A. Now tell me which is the next letter, kids? Yes, the next one is B. The next one is B. Come on the second dot. From the third line, we will make a slanting line up. We will make a loop, come down till the third line, curve, touch the second line and out like this. This way you have to write your small cursive letter B. Now tell me what comes after B. The next letter is C. So we will write C between the second and the third line. Slanting line up, then a curve, come down with the curve like this. This way you have to write your small cursive letter C. Tell me first now which is the next letter, kids? The next letter is D. The next letter is D. Come on the next line. From the third line, slanting line up, make a curve, come down, make a curve again, go up straight, touch the first line, come down and a tail like this. Okay kids, now tell me what comes after D. Tell me fast. The next one is E. So we will write E between the second and the third line. Slanting line and loop like this. Slanting line and a loop like this. This way you have to write your letter E. Now think and tell me fast what comes after E. After E the next letter is F. After E the next letter is F. Put your pencil on the third line and slanting line up. Make a loop, come down straight till the fourth line. Then a curve, touch the midpoint and out like this. Okay kids, this way you have to write your small cursive letter F. Now come on the next line. Tell me what should I write over here? After S, F, G. So we will write G over here. Put your pencil on the dot and slanting line up, make a curve, touch the second line, come down straight, touch the fourth line and a loop like this and out. This way you have to write your letter G. Okay, now think and tell me which is the next letter. The next letter is H. The next letter is H. Now again put your pencil on the dot and make a slanting line up, touch the first line, make a loop, come down straight, then again go back till the first line, make a curve, come down till the third line and out like this. Okay kids, this way you have to write your letter H. This way you have to write your letter H. Now the next one is, what comes after H kids? After H the next letter is I. The next letter is I. So put your pencil on the dot, slanting line up, touch the second line, come down straight and out like this and put a dot over it. This way you have to write your letter I. This way you have to write your letter I. Now think and tell me which is the next letter. Yes, G, H, I. The next one will be G, H, I, J. So from the dot we will write J. Make a slanting line, come down till the fourth line, then a loop and out like this and put a dot over it. This way you have to write your letter J. Now come on the next dot. What comes after J, kids? After J, the next letter is K. So from the dot, go up, make a slanting line, make a loop, come down till the, again go back till the second line, curve, then a slanting line and out like this. This way you have to write letter K. Now tell me what comes after K? The next one is L. The next one is L. Now put your pencil on the dot and slanting line up. Touch the first line. Then make a loop. Come down and out like this. This way you have to write your letter L. Now kids, come on the next page. Put your pencil on the next dot. The next letter is, what should I write after L? The next one is M. Now slanting line up, come down straight, go back, make a curve, go back again make a curve, touch the third line and out like this. This way you have to write your letter M. Come on the next dot. The next one is N. Slanting line up, touch the second line. Come down, touch the third line, go back and curve, come down, touch the third line and out like this. This way you have to write your letter N. Now tell me fast, which is the next letter? The next one is letter O. So put your pencil on the dot and slanting line, make a curve, then come down with a curve and a loop like this and out. This way you have to write your letter O. You have to write your letter O. Now come on the next line. Tell me fast, what letter will come over here? M, N, O, P. The next one is P. So put your pencil on the dot and go up. Don't touch the first line. Then come down straight till the fourth line. Again go back till the second line, make a curve, come down till the third line and out like this. So this way you have to write your letter P. This way you have to write your letter P. Now tell me which is the next letter, kids? After P, the next one is Q. The next one is Q. Let's see how to write Q. Put your pencil on the dot, slanting line, touch the second line, make a curve, then touch the second line, come down straight, touch the fourth line and a slanting line between the fourth and the third line. Okay kids, this way you have to write your letter Q. Now think and tell me fast, which is the next letter? Yes. After Q, the next letter is R. The next one is R. So put your pencil on this dot and slanting line, make a loop, go out, then a small curve. Okay? Slanting line, make a loop, then go out and a small curve. This way you have to write your letter R. This way you have to write your letter R. Now come on the next line. Which is the next letter? P, Q, R. Then the next one is S. The next one is S. So put your pencil over here on the dot and slanting line up. Touch the second line. Then a loop, curve and out like this. This way you have to write your letter S. This way you have to write your letter S. Now recall I told you which is the next letter, kids. The next one is T. The next one is T. So put your pencil on the dot and make a slanting line up. Not touch the first line. Come down. Then touch the third line and out like this. Put a sleeping line in the middle of first and the second line. This way you have to write your letter T. This way you have to write your letter T. Now tell me which is the next one? S, T. The next one is U. So put your pencil on this dot. Slanting line up. Touch the second line. Make a curve. Come down till the third line. Make a curve again. Go up, touch the second line. Come down till the third line and out like this. This way you have to write your letter U. Now come on the next line, kids. Tell me fast which is the next letter. The next one is V. The next one is V. From the dot make a slanting line up till the second line. Come down with a slanting line. Go up till the second line and out like this. This way you have to write your letter V. Tell me which is the next letter. The next one is W. So put your pencil on the dot. Slanting line up. Make a curve. Come down. Again a curve. Go back. Again a curve. Touch the second line and out like this. This way you have to write your letter W. This way you have to write your letter W. What comes after W, kids? After W, the next one is X. After W, the next one is X. So, put your pencil on the dot. Slanting line up. Touch the second line. Make a curve. Then go back and make a curve in the opposite direction. Like this. This way you have to write your letter X. This way you have to write your letter X. Now come on the last line. Tell me which is the next letter? Yes, the next one is Y. Put your pencil on this dot and slanting line till the second line. Come down, touch the third line. Make a curve, go up till the second line. Come down, touch the fourth line and loop and out. This way you have to write your letter Y. This is Y. Now jump on the next one. The next one and the last one is, tell me, yes, Z. The next one is Z. So, put your pencil on this dot. Slanting line, touch the second line. Curve. Then again a small curve and a loop out like this. This way you have to write your letter Z. Okay, kids? So, you have to complete your small cursive letter A to Z. So, kids, you have to write your small cursive letter A to Z in your preset book on page number 62, 63, 64 and 65. You have to write it 3 times. Each letter you have to write 3 times. Okay? Write very neatly and beautifully in your book. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.